Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to remain tomorrow and what are the key levels to look out for. And also we are going to understand, what are the profits that we made and how was the day for us as well. So stay tuned throughout the video. Now before we proceed, I just wanted to tell you, we've made somewhere around 55,000 today, and plus we have a couple of holding positions for tomorrow. So if you want to make some similar profits, do join us on www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us so that you can make the most of it. So there are two plans, one with a less capital and one with more. You can select whichever is feasible for you and pick it up from there. Now, without further ado, let us go ahead and check and see what is the most important level that we need to keep in mind for us in Nifty. Now, like I told you guys already, 15,800 is the Fibonacci level that we have, the extension level that we have got. So most probably, I think if the global markets remain stable and, most probably we might gap up or, have a positive bias tomorrow as well. But the day is going to be volatile because of RBI policy coming through. So please ensure that you have reduced quantity that you are trading from tomorrow. And very importantly, the most critical part would be to ensure that you have a stop loss in place for whatever you're going to do. The most important thing at this moment is the trend line. So the trend line is going to be an important support for Nifty. So if Nifty goes ahead and breaks this particular trend line, let's say it broke here, okay, and then your immediate target would be somewhere around at the bottom here, and that range would be from the break till the previous swing. And if you have more targets to be met, I think a perfect support for this particular index for the recent week would be somewhere around 15,600. Now, if we go above and we start taking support on this trend line, then remember that there is a big number that we can expect. Another round number touch at 15,800 is very, very fast. Now remember, the percentage increase in Nifty has also increased, because usually when it used to go 1% up, it had to do 140 points, and now if it wants to go 1% up, it will do 156 points. So if you have that particular psychology behind it, and if you think it would move 100% or 1% up in the recent times, then you know what your targets would come up to, and it would be somewhere around 850. So I think after this, I will take a step back and see what are the other targets that are going to come up, because after such a rally, there needs to be a retracement. But of course, there had been a retracement on June 1st and 2nd, but this has given us a confirmation that this is not going to stop, and Nifty is going to go up and up and up again. So in terms of Bank Nifty had been volatile for the exact expiry. Now, the levels that I had given you, 35, 545, will act as a place that if that breaks out, then it is going to be all up. And yes, we achieved a decent amount of target here. Now let me just bring it down and show you where we have. So today we have gone ahead and achieved our target from this particular breakout, and it was somewhere around 173 points. So that target was prettily achieved. But remember, it is once again near the high that we have over here already. Let me just show you that. So it has retested 35,725. So tomorrow, by any chance, if it is going to cross that up, then we can easily, expect a round number touch. Just right before the touch, it can go ahead 230 points, or if it gaps up, sustains, then it is going to take it forward. So any closing above 35,725 will ensure that Bank Nifty becomes bullish again. But until then, it is going to go ahead, give some pain. So tomorrow, do expect volatile candles, and I cannot give you exact top and bottom level for Bank Nifty because of the volatility. But however, if it is going to break 35,571, then we are going to have a target we can look for. That would be 123 points over here till 35,440. 2. And remember that if it comes near the support, you will always buy, and then it goes to the resistance, you always sell. If you would have followed that particular rule, I think you would have easily made some around 150 points on this fall. So do remember these levels for tomorrow. I hope it makes the best of you. And if you want to make similar profits, do join us on www.rltrgroup.com. And if you want to track our previous performance, there is a Telegram channel that is listed below. You can go ahead and join there. And there is also a free trial session tomorrow. So whoever is interested can actually go ahead and be a part of it. So I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day. Take care. See you. Love you all. Bye bye for now.